Hello, my super alphabet heroes! Are you ready for a new adventure? Let's go! It's time for the letter B. B says B. Spot the pictures that start with B. Yes, here they are. Balloons, bike, and book. Great job! Choose your bed. B is for bed. Yay! So cute! Find the different ball. B is for ball. Look carefully. There it is! Great job! Which word starts with the letter B? Is it ladybug, ant, or bee?
Don't forget to like and subscribe to get more fun quizzes.
Yes, it's the B. B starts with the letter B. Let's move on to our memory quiz. Try to remember the order of all these letters. Now, where is the letter B hiding? Do you remember? Yes, it's behind spot number 4. Great job! Where is the lowercase b? Can you spot it? Yes, there it is! Great job! Would you rather have a bag full of toys or a mystery gift bag? B is for bag. It's the fluffy cat hiding inside the bag. Aw, so cute! Can you guess the picture from its shadow? It starts with the letter B. Yes, it's a bell! Great job! Remember all the pictures carefully. They all start with the letter B. Now, where is the matching baby? Yes, there it is! Great job! Now, where is the second bird? It's right here! Well done! And finally, where is the matching boat? There it is! Excellent work! Great job, little geniuses! You did amazing today! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more fun quizzes. Goodbye!